There are two screws we need to take out with a T25 Torx bit. Let's get those out first. Notice you don't have to take them out all the way. Once you get the screw halfway up, that's good enough and it will release. Once you did that, now we have two clips on the back side that we have to undo. Simply undo those. And once you do that, now we're going to be able to lift up on the housing to pull out the old engine air filter. Let's pull out the old engine air filter. As you pull it out, see if there's any leaves or debris underneath. And if there are, clean it out. This one's really clean. Let's get this replaced with a brand new engine air filter. Now, as you're putting in the new one, notice the notch on the right hand side. That notch will only allow that filter to be put in one way. Once you get the filter in, make sure it's down all the way. This way it seals correctly. Get the two screws put in. Once you get those all the way down, the last step on this will be to clip the two clips back, and then you're all done.